Alright everyone, this is going to be a 2017 remake on the two Minka Aire Aluma Wets. You can see the one on the long down rod right here. And then the one on the shorter down rod right here. I'm going to video these independently because it's better just to do it one at a time than just have both. Because sometimes one will have the light on and the light goes off on that one. You've seen in the other videos. It's much easier just to do one by one. So that's what we'll do. So they seem to hold up quite well. Those blades are a little bit more flimsy than I'd like, but they seem to hold up quite well. They were put in November 2015, so they're about 2 years old, a little over, but 2 years old I'd say. And they run on the Minka Aire air control. I don't know if you can see that or not. Non-reversible. The reverse switch is on the top where that little black part is. And I'll go ahead and turn it on. So we'll start off with the light first. I'd prefer the light to be a little bit brighter, but since it is outside it doesn't really matter, but I don't know, it just seems kind of dark. And it is a dimmable light too. Just hold down the light switch. Let's see it just do. I think I made that dim. Try again. Yes, that goes really dim. And then that's full brightness. And I'm going to go ahead and start it off on low first. This one is a little bit slower than the other one. I let these ones run on high for a good 30 minutes, so hopefully it should be warmed up. I don't know, maybe this one just has stiff bearings. Or the capacitor is going out, which I hope not, but you never really know with these new fans. They look really good out here though. I really like what looks. Although I would definitely prefer up here a slipstream, because as you can see it's quite big. I don't know. Like a 52-inch fan is good here, but like a slipstream would be nice out there. We'll put it to medium. I think I hit medium. Let me try just one more time. Okay, yeah, that's medium. Yeah, these aren't very fast fans. And here is high. And it blows an okay amount of air, but I'm not totally impressed by it. I suppose it's over the table, it's probably good, it's not too powerful, but it's enough to circulate air and keep the bugs away. And I believe that's probably why they put these here, is to keep the bugs away. But trust me, it's going faster on video than it is in real life. But it's decent. Here's with the light on. And I will turn it off. And that is the Minka Aire Aluma Wet. Thank you for watching.